guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this highlight on CapCut PC, like the circle highlight. So select like this default text and you're just going to type in O, and you can also change the font size, the font, but I'm just going to use this one. I'm also going to color it red to really highlight where we want to look. And as you can see, it doesn't always follow the object, but you can go to tracking here and select the motion to track. You can scale it if you'd like to, and you're going to select start, and hopefully it's going to track that object with the circle. And that is pretty much how you can create a circle highlight on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.